Okay, I'm using a 3-inch wide, 1/4 inch thick flat bar that you can pick up at any steel shop that is cut to size. And we're going to drill some holes into this to bolt to our gate so that we could bolt the Gator Power Gate to and have support. So we're going to we've already marked this up where we're going to drill our holes. And we're going to tap that. Tap this right here. Got my safety glasses on. Got the bar clamped down to the bench. And we're going to drill a couple of holes here. You don't have to drill really full speed with this as you drill into the steel. I've got a cup of water here handy to keep the bit cool. Take some more. And we're through. Right here. This is a smaller bit. We're just drilling our guide holes first. Keep that cool. And we're through. I'll brush that away. Change bits. We're using a 1/4 inch bolt that's going to go through and bolt to the gate. So I'm using a 1/4 inch bit, and we're going to see how it just curls up there. It means we're getting a good bite. I'll cool that down a little bit. Through. Cool the bit off. And drill the other side. I always like to try to start the bit off a little fast just so it doesn't get caught in the beginning. And we're just about through already. Okay. Now we'll just kind of soften the edges a little bit. Okay. Okay, now we're going to prepare to paint the flat bar so it'll look nice and match the gate we're putting it on. We're first going to clean all of the grease residue from the flat bar with the VM&P naphtha, and then we're going to put a primer coat on, and then we're going to paint it with the color to match the gate. Okay, we got both our pieces, both our suspenders out here, and we're wiping it down with the naphtha. It's a thinner that'll really get the residue, oil and grease residue off these bars so that we can prime them and prep them and and prep them for the final coat. Okay, now I'm just going to go over lightly with some steel wool just to take off whatever that rag left behind. Okay, now I'm going to put the primer on our flat bars. This will provide its first coating to seal it from weather. Okay, now I'm just going to run a little bit of steel wool over the primer coat just to rough it up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to do our couple of coats of paint on our flat bar.